This house is super bright because of all of the stunning LED lights all around. But what makes it really nice is the fact that in the morning you have morning light, and then now, sundown, you kind of have it peaking at this specific angle, and you can betcha that there's going to be a little bit more of these pockets of sunlight throughout the house. And it's quite nice to actually discover them and maybe design around it. So it is gonna be a dramatic home. Like, saktong, parang medyo may pagka man cave, but it is very modern and it's in a very nice subdivision. Tama nung araw sa bahay na to. So you have morning sun for your facade, and then right now that it's going sundown, you can see that it's coming from the back. So dun naman yung setting sun. Which means lahat ng araw na makikita natin sa loob is gonna be diffused and dramatic. Love it. Okay, that being said, facade. So you have here your manual gate on the right portion of your property. And that's gonna lead you to your 4-vehicle carport. And actually, pwede pang may sumampa dito na guests if ever you're having a bigger house party. And then here in the central portion, you have your pedestrian gate and the pathway leading up to the main entrance. You have a garden here on the left, and it's gonna lead you to the side of the house. And then, of course, dito, pwede kang pumunta sa carport. And also, there is access to the right side of the house from the rightmost part of the carport. Your carport actually high ceiling, tapos meron siyang mga LED strips. So at night, this is gonna be really nice and dramatic. And it casts some nice reflections on your cars. Okay, speaking of reflections, you're gonna see a lot of it in this house. So here you have your main entrance, solid wooden door. And then when you enter, high ceiling. So this is of course your living area. So it's also your receiving area. So dito pa lang, welcome home na agad, or mikasa sukasa yung dating. So you have your TV here, perfect again for entertaining family and friends. You have a double height high ceiling. Actually, medyo hindi pumapasok yung sunlight sa loob kasi may slight tint or double glazed yung windows. So it doesn't fully enter the space, but you see it and the room is bathed in natural sunlight. Granted, nakabukas din yung mga ilaw, but that is just to demonstrate na sa gabi ang ganda niyan. Okay, so you have your living area here. You have your accent wall that's made to look like rough stone. So medyo may pagka-man cave yung dating, no? And then behind that, we have your main stairs. And then just one or rather two steps down, you have access to a guest-accessible powder room with a sink na may stone-like finish and your toilet there on the far right. But that's nice and accessible there, again, for the guests. And of course, your main stairs, pero later na yan. And down here by the hallway, you have some storage as well as a stone accent wall again. Yan, sa katago lahat ng gamit mo dito. And this would be perfect as a console table, so mga anik-anik, mga display, etc. And before we continue with the rest of the open space, you do have one of the bedrooms here on the ground floor. And you'll notice that the flooring is seamless, so it's the same as the rest of the flooring here on this level. And you again have the stone-like wall accent here for your entertainment. So if you were to put your TV, dito nakalagay yun, and your headboard would go here if you wanted to put a bed or maybe a couch. So pwede naman office lang, shower, den, or entertainment. But this does have an ensuite toilet and bath with your sink, your toilet, and your shower area. You have really high ceiling here actually. You have one down light and then cove lighting, as well as wall sconces. And then meron kang awning window to let out the heat from when you take a hot shower. So may exhaust naman. Na natural. Okay, so let's just say you use this as a guest bedroom. Let's just say, parang library guest bedroom. and then dinner time. So you invite them out, they go out here, and all of you get to have dinner in your dining area. So you have a nice accent ceiling design with a rather flat chandelier. So it's still your main lighting, it's still your main focal point for the ceiling. And that is what's gonna light the entire area. Tapos, syempre, supporting na lang yung cove lighting and down lights or pin lights. Now from here, you can open up the sliding glass doors on this side and this side, so towards the Lanai, towards the side of the house. So pwede kayong may indoor-outdoor na function na nangyayari. But if you did want to stay indoors, you can just take a few steps and go to the kitchen. Your kitchen has a lot of surface area. So you have this galaxy granite surface, and it's consistent amongst all the surfaces here, including the backsplash. You know, so dito kitang-kita may mga rainbow glitter na nangyayari. It's not shimmer, it's kinang talaga siya, ang ganda nga against the black. So again, you have lots of surfaces to actually work on, to prepare, both from the L-shaped counter here, as well as the island counter in the middle, and the bar over on that side. You have your built-in stove, your exhaust, your sink, and that is where your refrigerator is going to go. And this is presumably where you would want either your rice dispenser or your water dispenser. Depende kung ano na yung inyong priority. Kasha yan. But yeah, you have a lot of storage for under the counter as well as cupboard up top. You also have a window here in front of the sink in case gusto mo lang i-view yung kung ano man yung ipaplant mo dun sa gilid ng bahay. Because you do have access to this. That is the side of your house, and it's up to you what you want to place there. Now from the kitchen, you have access to your daily kitchen as well as your service area. So meron na rin built-in sink dito. The theme is very different. So from your galaxy black granite, you now have marble-like tiles. And then you also have another counter here and provision or space for your washing machine. So this is literally your service area, both daily kitchen and for laundry and what have you. And then from here, you can access the side of your house and go back out to the front, especially the garden out in front, and just look at this. Look at how the sun is actually hitting the side of the house. Mostly pang maintenance actually, pero ang ganda na tignan kasi linis. And if you didn't wanna, and in case you're wondering, that is also access to the staff quarters. So this is where they could hang out also, kasi it's breezy and maliwalas. And then on the other side, you have access to the back, which will just go out to the Lanai. Okay, I just want to check this out kasi magkaiba yung handle nito at saka nito. So this one, okay, this is a bar. That's why. I see. This is cute. So, kanina po kasi siya tinitignan pero hindi ko binubuksan. So this is a bar with more storage, of course, underneath and up top. And this one with this kind of handle is a cupboard with a kitchen system already installed. That's super neat. Okay, so that is it for the ground floor. Before we head up the second, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Alabang area, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. Okay, so you'll notice that a lot of the surfaces are actually quite dark. So the tempered glass is smoked. The main stairs is this medium to dark shade of red wood or reddish wood. And then, of course, you have the ceiling design with lots of wood accents. And then the doors to the bedrooms are dark with some chocolate accents. So very masculine yung dating. Okay, so this is the first door from the main stairs, and this is actually the primary bedroom. So you have another accent wall over here that's meant to, this time, frame a much bigger TV. You have your ceiling design over here now, multi-layered. Okay, it's not just a simple cove lighting setup here. It's ang dami siyang recess. And then, of course, dito yung headboard nyo. And then on either side, you have enough space for your end tables right underneath the windows, which means you have enough space here for an armrest, and then sa kabila, yung desk spaces nyo. You have here a sort of Juliet balcony, so it's not a deep balcony by any means. At least it's not as deep as you might think it is, because you can see that the house has a cantilevered area na parang pwede mong apakan, no? But the tempered glass won't let you for safety reasons. So hanggang dyan ka lang. But you can open it up para at least feeling mo nasa balcony ka. Of course, the primary bedroom has an ensuite toilet and bath with a walk-in closet. So you have a lot of space and high ceiling for the walk-in closet. I love that the door also opens pretty much 160 degrees or something. So you have closed storage, and then you also have a built-in vanity with this round mirror na lit na rin from the back, so it kind of helps you. And you can also change the color temperature. Oh, tama ba? Yeah, you can change the color temperature. And then over here, you have your ensuite toilet and bath with your his and hers sinks, storage underneath, your toilet on the right side, and then your shower area here on the left side. And again, you have high ceiling, cove lighting, pin lights, no exhaust fan, but you do have an awning window right on top or right above the toilet. Okay, so yung primary bedroom talaga ang paglabas mo, just a little off-center, pero diretso ka na sa main stairs. Pero safe naman, hindi naman siya tapat na tapat. And then the first door, and then the second door rather, after that is bedroom number 2. Although, for the sake of this video, I'm going to count the bedroom downstairs later on. But for now, let's just call this bedroom number 2. So again, you have high ceiling. Iba naman yung ceiling design niya ngayon. Iba yung pagka-layer niya. And then, of course, this is where your headboard will go. And this is where your TV will go. Your desk can go on that side of the wall or of the room. And then over here, you have your ensuite toilet and bath with your wardrobe that's built in, your sink, your toilet, and then your shower area with a half wall. Actually, may ledge naman dito for products. Pero knowing us Filipinos, correct me if I'm wrong, we're probably gonna put stuff in here as well. Okay, so out in the hallway, we have another area similar to the hallway down on the ground floor. We have another storage or low storage. So pwede ka magpatong dito ng mga picture frames, awards, etc., some keepsakes, memories. Or you could turn it into a little kitchenette without a sink, of course. So pwedeng snacks and para just in case gusto mong ng tubig or maybe just boil some water with a kettle, meron mga outlet. You can have that prepared over there. Okay. And then here, we have bedroom number 3. So this one is a much square room, and you can really see that with the ceiling design, which is quite square as well. Again, different type of cove lighting design. And then you have lots of windows. These are all awning windows, by the way. So itong isang panel to, tatlo yung bintana. So that's 3, 6, 9, 12. So gusto mong buksan lahat, why not? And then over here, you have your ensuite toilet and bath with, again, your built-in wardrobe, your sink, your toilet, and then your shower area. Malaki your shower area. Like, you can see me here, right? You can see my hand. So it is actually quite large. It takes a few steps to reach from end to end. It's very spacious. And then, at the end of the hallway, we have bedroom number 4. So this one is a much bigger room. And if you didn't need it as a bedroom, this is an if, okay? It essentially has the same design elements as the other room. So you have the accent wall for the entertainment, you have your cove lighting, you have your pin lights, your chandelier. But it is a much bigger room. Parang ang ganda ng entertainment room or family room. So dito kayo mag-hangout, dito kayo maglalaro ng mga console nyo, PlayStation, Xbox, what have you. Just an idea. But if you absolutely needed it to be a bedroom, hindi naman problema because it has an ensuite toilet and bath. Again, with wardrobe that's built in, your sink, your toilet, and your partially covered shower area with a huge awning window over there. But yeah, that is it for the second floor. So before we cap off this video with a recap, check out these really nice B-rolls. Okay, so you have 350 square meters of lot area. Ooh, ganda nung araw. Weird ba ako nandito ako? So 350 square meters of lot area, and then 415 square meters of floor area split between 2 levels. 5 bedrooms, 5 toilet and baths, a powder room here on the ground floor, a 4-vehicle carport, and lots of space to go around. Like literally, pwede kang umikot sa bahay kasi you have a garden there and then pathways all around. You have a service area or a daily kitchen with it as well, and a laundry area. And what else? Like everything is just packaged in this very modern contemporary home that's a little darker than the usual. Like yes, it is very bright because of all of the windows, and obviously like right now the sun is pretty much shining onto my face from the living room. But it is a little bit more dramatic. So if you want to check this out for yourself, or maybe you've been looking for a house here in the Alabang area, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello.
If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.